What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Skana Beats right here. Today we're going to take a look at how Metro Boomin made Raindrops for Travis Scott and Heroes and Villains. Super fire track in my opinion. Leave a comment down below what your favorite track was. With these breakdowns, I don't want to copy the whole thing, so I'm going to add my own sauce to it. So some things might be slightly different, but let's just dive right into the video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community. Let's get it. So in the song it goes dun, 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 dun. Make these a little bit longer. I think these need to come down. Then pull these down. It's nice. What I'm going to do though is pitch it maybe because I don't want to get a copyright strike, and drag up the tempo. Just add a pad in there, just following the same notes. Make this move a little bit. Make this a little bit more vintage. Magic switch. I like this preset. Woo! Okay, let's pitch this down because I feel like it's a little bit too high. Like that. And then add a counter melody. It's really simple. But let's add halftime to this. That's hard. Let's add some more notes in there. Like that. right, let's build the drums. I got a Fire 808 right here. This one's smacking, bro. Yo, hey, yeah, yeah. Go to Google, do it. Wow, bro, that's hard. That's hard. I love the beat. I love how it turned out. This tutorial showed you how to make a Metro Boomin type beat for Travis Scott. Raindrops, breakdown, type of beat, type of vibe. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate that. Make sure to follow me on Instagram @SkanaBeats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.